Hello, and welcome back to another episode of A equals B, or A to B, or whatever you wanted to, or what. I wish I could speak. Or whatever you want to call it. We're going to continue with Chapter 3 Start and End. I added a few more keywords. Can I pause this time? To Professor. This time, I implemented multiple keywords, and each keyword comes with multiple variances. Hope you will like it. Course report. Okay. Show. Overview. A to B is a minimal programming language designed for string handling. It has the advantage of simple syntax, easy to learn, convenient to code, etc., and has a wide range of application prospects. Intriguing. Instruction set. A to B's instruction set includes string 1 equals string 2, string 1 returns string 2, so we've done that, and we have two more. Start, string 1 equals string 2, end, string 1 equals string 2. If string 1 is at the start, slash end of string, replace it with string 2. String 1 equals start string 2, string 1 equals end string 2. When the leftmost occurrence of string 1 in the string, remove it and add string 2 to start end of string. Okay. Each side may contain up to one keyword. For example, start A equals end B is valid. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, as per usual, this messes up my stream setup, so let me click around. There we go. 3.31. Remove. Do I get the limit? Okay, the challenge happens after I solve it for the first time, which I think usually I'll find close to the best solution, so. Remove all A's to start and end of the input string. Okay. Like that. So it's just a very simple application of the rules. At most 2 lines, easy peasy. Spin. Move each letter before the first A to the end of the string. So for example, CB, AB, so we move CB and place it at the end. Okay. And I think it's relatively easy from what we get. If it starts with a B, we'll put a B at the end. If it starts with a C, put a C at the end. Cool. I added a few more keywords. Can I pause this time? The so-called multiple means 2. How surprising. Alright, what do we have next? A to B to... Actually, I didn't check. Did I get it in? Yeah, I get it in 2. Okay. A string of A, B's, and C's. Replace all A's at the start and all at the end of the string with B's. So, okay, ABC becomes BBC. I assume there's multiples. Yeah, that's the hard part. So I think what we need to do is let's see if this works. Start A is equal to capital A. End of A is equal to capital A. A equals BA, and then AA equals AB, A equals A. Oh no, A equals B. That's the tricky part. I think this will work. So I'm just gonna transform both sides of the equation to A's. It's going to slowly move across, transforming everything into A's. And at the very end, we replace the A's with B's. Okay. The question is 4 lines. You can actually do this in 4 lines. Okay. Ah, okay. Does that work? No, that doesn't work, does it? So does that imply then perhaps that we can actually do the start in 2 lines? Maybe I shouldn't delete it, because that's a good basis to start off with. Hmm. Is there an in-place way of doing it? I can't think of one. The issue is yeah, the issue is an in-place. Is that means in one go we have to put a B at the very, as an in-place by we don't add additional symbols. If we were to do it that way, we would have to immediately place the B at the end of the string, which I have no clue how you would be able to find it. Yeah, you can't just do something like find an A and put a B at the end, because that just won't work. We have to be able to distinguish between the start and the end. That's probably why this version of the problem is given instead of just like replace the start. Even then, I don't think it matters. I just wonder if I can condense one of those lines shorter or something. Huh. I'm actually stuck completely. Yeah, so basically, with this thing, it has to be able to recognize that there's multiple characters here, and also that to not touch this seed in the center. The input can have B's, so we can't do something like B is, we actually replace A with B. And we can't do like a blank insert A. That also doesn't work. Hmm. Four lines, that's actually impressive. I mean, yeah, because like that doesn't work. Like AA goes to AB or something like that. But then we get stuck immediately. Four lines. Is there a way of introducing A in the middle? Maybe. I don't think we can. Okay, maybe a spark of inspiration might come upon me after I do other problems. Let's do that. Let's go. Let's do the other ones first. A string of A, B's, and C's. Swap all the A's at the start and all the B's at the end of the string. AA becomes CBB. Okay. Hmm. Start A. We'll make it into end capital A. We'll make a rule that goes BA equals AB. A is A, okay. And then end B becomes start B. Wait, why did it get stuck? Oh, forced time limit. Oh. Oh, that's a tricky edge case I didn't see. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's an issue. Okay, maybe we can remedy this. No, we can't remedy this like that. I thought just add a D at the very end first, but that we have to be able to tell difference. Aha. Okay, so we can't do this way. Um. Okay, this is hard on its own. Um. Yeah, so we need a way of capturing those things. Hang on, maybe we can. Hang on, maybe start A equals A, and B equals capital B. Then we could try something like this. B equals, or hang on, A, B. Then we can swap those two. Or something like, if it starts with an A, we make it end with A. And then we do a BA equals AB. And then we... Oh, actually, we don't need this line then. Okay. And then it ends with B, start with B. Okay. One extra line, but we can do it this way. No, we can't do it this way. That's getting stuck again. In a way, this has to be the last line then. I think it's the idea. Oh no, wait, it has to be before this, but then this idea doesn't work either. Yeah, this will run into a loop again. I think we do actually have to do it that way. Maybe start A, ends with A, and then A becomes A. Something like that. Okay, there we go. At most 4 lines. Oh, damn. Okay, let me do the rest of them first. Well, how far do I need to improve this language before I can pass the course? A string of A, B's, and C's. Return true if the input string starts with and with the same letter, otherwise return false. Damn. There's a very long way of doing it. Maybe we have to do it the long way. No, I don't think we have to do it the long way. CC. So we'll do this. We'll write the last bit first. If it starts with an A, we'll make it end with a capital A. We started with a B, it ends with a capital B. We started with a C, it ends in a capital C. Now why do we do that? Well, we're gonna do 3 checks. If it starts, no, if it ends with AA, we return true. Maybe, yeah, just. If it ends with BB, we return true. If it ends in CC, we return true. If it ends, and now if everything else, we return false. So, I mean, I guess I can just copy and paste here. Oop. Paste, paste, and I would change capital B, capital C. Easy peasy. 7 lines. Maybe we don't have to make one of the checks or something? So like AA, we do one thing, BB, and then if it's like nothing, if it's C, then we put nothing at the end and we just check for C. Maybe? Oh, you know what, actually? We can actually just return false here. Because basically, from here on out, it's just going to keep adding capital letters at the end of the string. So these 3 are never going to match. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we can just do that instead. We can just let it run all the way through. It's just doing extra stuff for no reason, but reduces the number of lines we need to do. String of A, B, C, and C's. Output, keep the most common letters and delete the rest. There's no ties for most. Okay. This one's a little tricky. Because we also have to keep the number, so we can't exactly be destructive is the issue. I mean, like every good thing, we can start by sorting it out. Oh wait, let me sort it out properly. BA equals AB, CA equals AC, CB equals BC. So it's sorted. Then next, I suppose... Do we do the negative C again like I did before? So we write AB as negative C. But then we have to keep some way of getting it back, right? Maybe something like AB equals capital A, capital B. AA equals AA. BB equals BB. No, the other way around. BB equals BB. And so that will transform everything like that. And then when we have AB, yeah, we have to destroy that somehow. Maybe like D. D is like ultra destructive. So DB equals... Then I guess here we can just do this, I think. And then maybe like... Maybe we don't need these. We just do AD. And then DB equals D. D capital B equals D. Something like that. And then we do the same for the other way around. If a B, we make an E. B. And then A, E equals E. AE equals E. Okay. So that will sort out A's and B's. It will keep them capital, but that's okay. Now we need to deal with C's. I just feel so inefficient though. I'll write it out then. So then we have A, B. Maybe we. I'll still write it out. So after this we. Oh yeah, D equals nothing. E equals nothing. Okay, now we have A's and the C's, then we do the same thing. Basically. We need a different letter for A. We need to use F, C. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna do this because it's I'm gonna have to do this like 3 times. This might be super inefficient. I like the negative C idea. I think I need to keep a record of yeah, I need to keep like a negative ABC basically as well. I think that's the idea. So I'll write like AB equals capital D and negative C. So the D is gonna be a triple of ABC. That I'm just gonna bring to the front, I guess. Or maybe we can make it, we can send the C to the end, and then we'll keep the D there. And yeah, and then we'll do CC equals 0. Okay. So now we will have A's, we'll have B's. No, we'll have either A's and C's, or A's and B's, or whatever, capital D's, whatever. Okay, if there's a negative C here, then we delete it. If it's AC, I think we still do the D thing here. We'll write end D. BC, we'll make it end with a D. Okay? And now here is where we convert everything. So we will write AD is equal to AA, BD equals BB, CD equals CC. Okay. So what did I go wrong? Basically, D is going to be the tracker for like every time we remove some characters. So here, basically, I'm removing a pairs of A, B's and a pair of C's simultaneously with this CC. So after this stage, what we expect to have is, after this stage, we're either going to have A, B's, and A, C's. So either A or B is going to be gone by this point. So either we're going to have A and some C's. Well, okay, the easiest case is we have A's and negative C's. Except all the negative C's are going to be gone, so we just have the A's. And the D's will represent how many A's we removed. So we've just converted that back to A's. Same with the B's. Now if there is a C, then for every pair of A's and C's that we remove, we add an additional D to the end. Like that. And then we convert all the D's. So why is there one more? What edge case did I forget about? Aha. This has to be first. That's why. It's still wrong. Ah. Okay, now it works. In most 11 lines. Uh-huh. Okay, maybe we can interplay the C's and D's properly. So maybe we just add a C, and every time this happens, we make it into a D. I think that reaches the same issue, though. Yeah, we might end up with the same issue, though. Because we still have to do this stage. Hmm. There's maybe an alternative way, but it's annoying to do it that way. I think it also leads to the same amount of lines. Basically, here we put it in the start instead. And on AB, what we do is at the end we put CE, and then E becomes start D, basically. Actually, is that way to be cheeky? Is there enough cheekiness with this idea, then it might work. Oh yeah, we need to change these rooms around. This might be a bit cheeky. Oh yeah, then we need to delete all the C's. I think we need to add these. We need to add this line first. Probably. It's still wrong. Why should it be wrong? BBB. So I think it removes the B's at an inopportune time. So, is it sorted? Okay, CAC. That. Oh, because it resorts it first. Okay. But then this doesn't quite work, does it? Yeah, this doesn't quite work. We still need to keep the C before we put the D in front. In case the B's show up. What if we put both of these first? Oh, actually, that doesn't do a difference. Yeah, that doesn't make a difference. Don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, let me undestroy this code. Hopefully, I have it saved all the way there. Okay, now keep undestroying the code. No, CC. Okay, so this is the code that works. No, this is the code that doesn't work. Oh, because wait, what have I done? What have I done? Have I forgot to put a line in? Oh yeah. Okay, this is the code that works. Wait. Maybe I have a brainwave. Let me copy and paste this over to a different code. Okay. AB equals NCD. Okay, that's it. Let us do a single letter. D. Let's do C. Then CC. Start D. Okay. So what was going to happen after this is the question. Let me delete this line. So after this, we're going to have the same amount of capital that... Okay, we're gonna... Yeah. We're gonna have the same amount of capital letters as we have removed things. So I think, okay, I think what we can do here is we can write C start D, and then we reverse these. This might work. Pog. String of A, B's, and C's. Return true if input string is a palindrome. Otherwise, return false. Let's start with this idea. So I don't know if this is a solution, but what we're just gonna do is we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna write AA equals nothing, BB equals nothing, CC equals nothing. So either once we reach this point, either string is empty or there are characters. Return true if former. So I think what we want to do now is we want to write A return false, B equals return false. Wait, no, that's not true. I am fibbing. I am fibbing here. We need to do something else first. We need to write A equals some neutral character here. If there's only one character left, we're fine. It's DD that we don't like. If there's at least two characters, because that means it's definitely not a palindrome. But if there's otherwise, we can return false. Yeah. We can return true. One is character or more. False if lateral. I think this should be correct. Oops. It would be true if I swap these two around. So it's out. It processes things properly. There we go. Please tell me it's 11 characters. Please. I would love you to tell me it can be done. The challenge is for 11. 8! Feel betrayed. Eight. Eight? I can remove one character, but 8? Eight. Eight. I have to delete 3 lines somehow. Eight. I mean, I can reduce 1 by 1 by writing A equals C and B equals C. Then I don't need to write this line. And I just check for CC. This will work, but 8? 8 characters. 8. 8. I can remove 2 characters from this list. 8. I have no more brain juice. I'm on my own. I mean, that's basically okay. We've reached. We've done all of them. The purpose of compiling this principles project is to deepen your understanding of compilers by implementing basic instructions like leaps and judgments, not by studying how to skip them with an SLang. Okay, let's start from the top. Maybe I can figure out how to do this in 4 lines only. Um. Stack. And A. Or, I don't know, it doesn't matter. And A start B. And then we do the same thing here. End A, start A, or I don't know if this will work. I think we need to do a different character. I guess it won't matter. Aha, stack. Okay, we figured out the trick to this puzzle. We can use a stack method to translate all of them at the start and at the end. So swapping. Okay, we don't have a stack this time. We have a queue, and we have to somehow reorder the queue. How many characters? 4 lines. Yeah. Okay, stack. Maybe I don't think that idea works exactly. Start A becomes end. I think this didn't work because of reasons. Yeah, so this doesn't work. If I remember correctly, it doesn't work because no wait, why doesn't this not work? Oh, because it does. Never. No, it doesn't work because of a loop. That's why. We start looping. We start looping. Ah, yeah, here we start looping because we send B to the end and then... Duh. And the issue here is that if we do this first... This will happen. That's it. That's what will happen. We will loop in a different way. These are all like... The issue is when there's an empty string. All hail goes loose. And then I get into trouble. I think this first line is correct, but... Okay. I think this first line is correct. I just don't know past that. Oh! Why not do that instead? That work? No, it won't work. I still struggle as well, which is interesting. Also, did this delete an... Sad. So sad. So disappointing. Yeah, I think it's some sort of pairing system. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. As I said, I don't know. Oops, sorry. I think BA is correct. So this will transfer all of the so the A's will become all the way to the end. Then what we want to do is we want to do BA. Maybe we want to do something like BA becomes stop doing that. Finally. I had to change the connection twice because the second one I connected to wouldn't connect to the server at all. We'll just do a sound check, except I have to do a sound check on my phone. Yep. Testing. Okay. I have to do it on my phone because there's music on streams. I can't actually, and I can't record it. Okay. Focus. BA becomes maybe we do a different letter, and then B becomes end A. I mean end A, and then A becomes A. Wait, does that work? No, that doesn't work either. This would start an infinite loop as well. Yep. Crudge. Wait, that will start an infinite loop again. Oh, you know what? I just had an idea. Start A becomes end A. AA becomes AA. Perfectly fine. NB becomes start B. A becomes end A. Oh gosh darn it. My disappointment is immeasurable. It's so close to working, this one. It's so close to working. Yeah, the issue is... I suppose the issue is if it's, well, I guess we can run the pause. Oh, wait. This should just become an A. It should still run into issues? Yeah, there you go. Is that particular case that this one run into issues? Maybe we do this first. And then what we'll do... Because now we've got the marker in, right? Or maybe start A becomes D, capital DA. And B becomes start B. Ah, but that doesn't work either. Because the issue is I want the D to stay, but I can't have the D staying if I do an end. Yeah, so start A becomes A. Okay, that's easy enough. And B becomes start B. So now what we have is we have essentially wherever the A is, the capital A, anything next to it becomes a... If... Okay, just another... Never gonna... Yeah, okay, there's a jump. It's always an issue. It's just the issue, it's the empty string. If there's like nothing between the A's and the B's, that's when I run into issues every time. Mm. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, so the point is, in two lines there is a spot with an A in this string, and I have to take everything, all the A's after that string, to the end. And again, the issue is that this doesn't work. A, and then A equals and A. That doesn't work. I could do it in 3 lines. DA and then D equals nothing. I think this works, but alright, let's try something else. Start A becomes end D. Maybe A. Yeah. Okay. Does that work? Then all of the B's. Then we'll have B and all the A's. B capital A. Start with A, B. And now that will become an A at the very end. I think, okay, yeah. We do run into an issue here. Oh, wait. We found it! The issue, we keep going on a loop. But if we add a divider, then we don't run into that loop. And we can just remove the divider at the end. We got it. Oh my god, we got it. Okay, no, the other one we... Oh no, that's the only one. Palindrome. Okay. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, AA. So yeah, so we were doing that before. Is there a cool way of doing it? A cool way. A genius way. That allows us to remove 2 lines from this code. Um... I don't understand why this doesn't work. As in how okay, this does work, but as in how you can make this idea shorter. There has to be a solution for 8, because otherwise they wouldn't put it in. But how? That's the only thing. How? Howie. Owie. Zowie wowie. Because we can't do a check easily. Okay, what about start a... I feel like we have to do it something like this. The issue is, okay, we need some way of transporting characters at the front to the back. Is it that we don't have to check for C or something? Like, we don't have to check for one of the characters? That doesn't make sense, right? I don't know why stream is so unstable. This is like an unprecedented level of instability. And I've checked all 3 connections now. Why is this happening? Okay, we've stabilized. Yeah, because I can't think of any other way of doing it. Where we have to bring the information from the back to the front. Or from the front to the back. That's what I'm doing first. We have to make it localized, and then we have to do the check. So does that mean that after we do both of those things, we can tell? Just by doing 2 checks? Whether or not our string is good? Yeah, it just looks like a pretty bad fluke right now, which is weird because it's the middle of the night. I don't understand where the traffic is coming from. Maybe I have to stream more during the day and maybe I'll see a big difference as to why. I seem every single stream I've been getting drops. Okay, so I need a different approach to do this, I suppose. That's the answer. Um, yeah, this thing will have. Um, hmm. I still think we need some variation of that, I guess. Um, I'm just wondering, can we remove one of the cases somehow? So let's say A and B is the same. What if it starts with a C? It starts with a C, and say it starts, it's CBCC. What about CBCC? So it should return false. Is there any way we can just delete the front and the back? Probably not, no. I'm actually truly stuck in this one. I'm thinking of adding an extra character and somehow making it work. Because instead of doing capital A, we could do maybe CD, BD. Oh wait, no, AD. CD. And then instead of we have AAD is nothing. BBD is nothing. CCD is nothing. And the idea is somehow if we figure out 2Ds, if we can find out that there are 2Ds in this thing, then we can, then we're done. Naturally, the issue here is in the case that there's one letter, which is a palindrome. We're not given that it is I'm editing the correct solution. Oh well, that doesn't matter. If in the case there's one letter, this will not work because this will make an infinite loop. At the moment, at least the way it's implemented. Yeah, it's gonna make DAD. Also, this has issues on its own because that basically means I have to detect if it's wrong. That means it's gonna run twice and give me like D8, yeah, like DCD. Like I have to detect that somehow. Hang on. Maybe there is a way. Because this character doesn't matter. Just wonder if there is a way. So yeah, we'll still end with... At least now if there's a single character, it's still gonna have 1D. That's the bonus of doing it this way. Um... The issue is, how do we detect it? I mean, I can remove one line, so I can write D equals end E. EE returns false, returns true. I think this should work. Yeah, this works. So we've successfully removed one line. Yeah, detect 2Ds. We can do that in 2 lines. Can we do it in 1 line though? That's the question. Yeah, it's not just 1D as well. Stop it with that. If there's 1D, we're still probably fine. It's when there's 2D, that's the issue. Hmm. Maybe is there an issue with starting? If we can write this in a way so that if it starts with a D, then we won't have an issue? So like, okay, start with an A. I don't think this will work, but I mean we can always we can always brainstorm a little bit. An idea. So we're doing ADA instead. BDB, CDC, like that. And so the question is, okay, so if it's true, so if it's empty, it'll be an empty string. If it's not empty, so this will go down to one character, then it's going to write DA, which we want it to be false. We want it to be true. If it's not, what will happen? Let's say AB. Then we will have BDA. Then we'll have DADB. So same issue. Okay, what about ADA, BDB, CDC? Okay. What about this? So in this case, single letter will go to ADA, then it will go to DAADA. Which would then go to just the letter D. Palindrome will completely vanish. Everything else, let's say AB, A will turn into, so AB will turn into B, A, D, A. BADA. Then it will turn into A, D, A, BA, BDB. And then it will turn to D, A, B, DB, A, D, A. Okay, this will, yeah, so then I have to somehow convert this down to just a single D. I don't think this works the way I want it to. I mean, it's neutral in the sense that it's D and any other letter. So specifically it's only true when it's nothing or D. So I could rewrite this in a different manner. Maybe if we can write it so that the ending is also a D. It's true. No, that doesn't work either, does it? Or does it work? Wait. I don't think this works, but it'd be impressive if it did. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. Wait, but I have an idea. So we don't replace it with nothing. We replace it with something. And the point is we somehow manage to cycle it around. And as long as it ends... Yeah, that doesn't quite work. The idea almost works, but it doesn't quite work. We replace it with nothing, and I think in some ways we can make it maybe detect as a lost characters something we want. Oh, wait, hang on. DAD. Oops, sorry. DCD. And then we write ADAD. BD. CD. Just delete. And that way, if it doesn't cancel... Yes! We got it! Okay. We might be able to do a little bit more. I don't actually know how long I've been streaming for. Oh, this is a long chapter. I think I... Should I start this chapter? How about instead I play the minigame a little bit and then I'll end the stream. Just because, how long I've been streaming for? I don't know. I'll check. How do I check? I guess this. If I refresh, this should tell me, okay. Approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay. Let's check out the minigame, because I actually do want to check it out. It does look quite interesting. I'm in the wrong tab for this. Whatever, don't care. I'll just close it. We're going rogue. Minigame. By the way, the reason I didn't have enough time for course project was I was busy with creating board game prototypes. None of them was published. This is one of the prototypes I created. Pangu Project. Okay. Rules. This is where we decipher a completely different set of rules. Maybe this will be the funnest game I've ever played. But who knows? Background story. In Pangu Project, you play the role of settlers on Mars. You have to develop your colony, build infrastructure, and complete several space projects. Number 1 is your colony. Basic buildings in plate cards. Cards with green borders are clickable. Blueprints, your hand cards, spent dice to build them. 3 is the project. Is required. Requires a lot of dice to build all 3 to win. Your dice, discard all unused dice at the round end. 5 is a preserved area. Preserved dice are not discarded at round end. And MOD powers can be used. Where's MOD? This one. Increase, decrease by 1. Preparation, put all your basic white buildings into colony. Randomly choose 3 project cards. Draw 3 blueprint cards, set them aside. Ready phase, roll 4 dice. Draw a blueprint and ready all exhausted buildings. Take following action in any order. Choose a set of dice that match to cost. Choose a set of dice that matches card's ability. Discard from MOD. And choose a die spend when MOD to modify by 1. Wild die can be modified for free. Oh, sorry. Discard all unused dice. Okay, there's a 10 round limit. Okay. So you build, then you activate, you discard a blueprint. What's the blueprint again? Okay, I see. It's complicated, but doable. New game. So we have all of these are buildings. Wait, what? How do we preserve dice? Discard unused dice, preserve dice are not affected. I guess it's an effect. Okay. Okay, click reroll selected base dice. Click a pair, draw a blueprint, forge, click 3 in a row, gain a preserved wild die. Okay. In our project cost 6-1. 6 in a row. Can be purchased if you activate command center this turn. And does Pop Project cost 7 of a kind? So we need to gain more dice, is what I'm getting at. So what do we have here? So this gains us a die. 3 in a row, 3 odds. All your other dice must be odd. Start of turn, gain a fixed die of odd value. Cost 2/2. Start of turn, gain a fixed 2. So we probably want to get... I think the drone we can probably get. So if we select these two... Okay. Oh, we get it twice. Ah. Okay. So we get a fixed 2 at the start of a turn. And I guess we pass. So that's our second turn. So that's our fixed 2. We have 5 die. I think it looks like we drew a blueprint as well. 4 in a row. Okay, we can probably get 4 in a row if we reroll these 2. There we go. We have 5 in a row even. Okay. Oh, that's 3 in a row. Oh wait, we want this one. Yeah. Do we pass again? So now we have 6 die. We need 6 in a row for this one. But we have to get it in one go. That's the why it's hard. 7 of a kind is also quite hard. 3 odds. Okay, can we get 3 odds and 3 in a row as well? Probably. How do we do this? Oh, we can get 3 in a row like this. Okay. So preserved die. Do I just keep getting it? And I get to reroll the 1, I guess. I think, okay, I think we can try to get... No, we didn't get it. Okay, I think we're just gonna use this to draw a blueprint. Okay. And then we pass. 3 in a row. Oh wait, no. Roll a die, fix it, and preserve it. Oh no, no, this is the second one. Reroll a basic or fixed die. So 4 of a kind. End of turn. If you have no non-preserved die, roll 2 more the next turn. Okay, so that means we should use it. 1, 2, 3. Start of turn. Roll an extra die per project build. That does nothing for us at the moment, but we might as well. We probably shouldn't. I think we should do. We should do this one. Oh, all your other die must be odd. Okay, so we have to use these ones first. I guess we can just do this, and now we can build this one. So we have an extra die again. Okay, I think I'm just gonna reroll this die. Maybe we can get... No, we can't get anything, really. So we'll just pass. We're close to... Well, we almost got 6 in a row, but... Yeah. Okay, we need to almost... Very soon we need to start building these. So... I assume fix... Let me just double check what fix does. Is it just that we get to modify... Fixed die can't be rerolled. Okay. So this is just the only one that can reroll. I guess we do that. So we can almost certainly get this. Okay. Now I can mod a 6 into a 1 if I wanted to, so I can get this if I wanted to. I don't like this one. Don't. 4 of a kind. I'll use 1 and then build this one. And then I guess I'll try to go for a pair. Okay. Pass. Ooh. I see. 6 ones. Can I get 6 ones? I need to start getting them start from next turn, so cost 2 wild. Okay, I don't have any wilds. Okay, so this, click 2 dice. I don't actually know what that means. Click 2 dice is greater than 1 die of their sum. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so we need to go for 6 in a row now. 6 ones. So we have to get lucky. Okay. Oh no, we got it. We got it. Okay, I mean I might as well use up all my rolls just. Okay. 6 ones. Okay. Pass. I guess I need to try for 7 of a kind. So I need these 3 to be 5s. Oh. Okay. Guess I can increase my odds. Trying to win. Click a pair. What does this mean? Oh, it just becomes one die of their sum. Oh, that's useful. Okay. 7 of a kind. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it. Okay, we have one more turn after this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wait, I think I don't want to keep it. Because don't I have a thing that... Oh, if I have 2 more dice, roll 2 die extra in the next turn. Okay. So I should pass. Okay, I need 7 of a kind. If I can do that, I can win. Okay. What do I have the most of? I have 3 5s and 3 1s, but the one of the ones is in fact... is in fact the one. So, I should try it for 7 ones. Okay. Ooh, all of a sudden I have more 4s, so I should switch to 4s. No. Yeah, 5 4s. Okay. Okay. I need 2 more. I need 1 more. It all comes down to this. Damn. Oh, wait. Let's go. We did it. Okay. Pass. Oh. Actually, I want to play one more time. Let's do it. Actually, yes, this is not too bad. Because you also get to keep the blueprints. Okay, so that's decent. Okay, 4 in a row, 4, 4, 4. I can't get any of these. Start of turn plus 1 MOD. Actually, we should go for that one. There we go. 2 for 6. Start of 1 and 1 MOD. Pass. Okay. Okay, I'll take a fixed 3. Yes, sir. Okay, what do we need? Some 40. 6 6s is easy. 6 1s is easy. Relatively speaking. I guess it's not the easiest, but... Okay, we should probably... Oh, wait, we can get that immediately. Okay. I like Prospector, actually. Which we can probably get. We can get it immediately, in fact. Or we can just... click 2 dice. Okay, so Rector distributes the value, which is actually also not too bad. 1, 2, 3. 1 becomes a wild die. That's not bad either. I like this, but I think we should probably just get Prospector. So... Actually, I think I'm going to use an MOD. Get 4 of a kind, and then I will get another blueprint. Okay. Pass. Okay, what do we have now? We have a bunch of fixed die. We should... Well, 1 extra die per project build. And we still aren't close to getting that, but we can get it soon. 2 pairs in a row. We can do that, I think. Yeah, we can build that if we want to. Maybe that, actually an extra reroll is not bad. It's a question of where do we rather go for 4/4s. I think we could potentially do both, but I'm not entirely sure if we can immediately. Okay, so we can get 3, 3, 4, 4. This one. Yeah, we won't be able to get 4, 4, 4, 4, but that's okay. We can at least... Oh, it's not the balanced one. I'm silly me. Okay, pass. What do we have now? Can fix 5, can fix 4. Okay. Yeah, I think this one actually might be useful because we can get more blueprints this way. Should I just get it? Don't see why not. Oh, clicked on the wrong one. And the goal is to get 5, 5, 5. Does that work? Okay, we can actually get that instead. We can get 4, 4, 4 instead. That's perfectly fine. Pass. Okay, starting from next turn, we need to build these projects. So... Actually, this one is very good. So I think 6, 6, 6 we should go for. And then if we can get 1, 2, 3 as well. 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3. That'll put us in a great position to win. So let's go for some rerolls. Okay, I think we can just get that. No, this one. We still want 6, 6, 6, more so than 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, and we want 5, 5, 5. Okay, oh, sorry, we don't want 5, 5, 1 on 6. Okay. I think we're gonna gain a preserved wild die as well. Okay. So now we need to get the projects. Some 40 could be, we could do it this turn. Let's see here. Because I mean we just got a lot of numbers. So that's 12, that's 16, 20, 24, 28, 33. 33. Okay, we won off, but that's okay. We can just... Oh, hang on. That should be perfect. Pass. Okay. We need to get 6 6s. Okay, yeah. So let me transform 2, 3. Oh wait, that's some 2. Oh no, that's 2, 3, right? Yeah. To preserve die. So now we can roll that one as well. And we have to get 6 6s. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to use 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we 5, 6. Okay, I think I'm gonna need a bit of luck on this one. Is this enough? I have enough. But yeah, I'm out of mods, so I'm gonna have to get lucky for the next one. To get 6 1s. Okay. Once again, we're gonna turn this into preserved while die. And now we're gonna start rolling again. Ooh! We did it! Wait, we can't reroll wild die, is that it? Ah, okay, we can't reroll wild die. Okay, that's good to know. Congrats, we did it. Yeah, we literally can't get anything. Oh, we can actually. I think we can get drone. Just for an extra little rallying round. There we go. Pass. Congrats. Okay. Cool. This was a fun round. We managed to get all of these done, and well, next time we've got a hell of a lot of stuff to do. But that's gonna be a Thursday thing, unfortunately. But in any case, thank you very much for joining me on this ride. It's a very interesting game. I really like this concept, because you have to be like really creative. We're on chapter. We're halfway through the game. I say that because like the first chapter was this, and the last chapter, and this fourth chapter is blah. But yeah, I think there's 6 chapters. So in theory, if we knock 1 chapter out per stream, then we'll get there in 3 more rounds. But I probably won't get there that quickly if the rest of these are gonna be a pain to do. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you another time. Bye bye.